Hello guys, hello my people, hello my fellow YouTubers. Hope you're doing well. Me too here, I'm fine. I'm very fine. Today I came up with something unique. You can see. It's all about stones and the rain. Was rained on it, so that's why it looks like that. You can see how it is everywhere. Yeah. You can see how it works here. You can imagine how is our Lord, our God is surprising us. You can see a small stone carrying a big stone. You can see it's like 10 kg stone carrying a 400 kg stone. You can see it. You can see. That's my kid is climbing on the stones. You can see he's very happy. He's enjoying. Pavel, hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi people.
Hi people.
Please
Please
subscribe
subscribe
to
to
my
my
YouTube
YouTube
channel.
channel.
Good boy, good boy.
Goodbye.
Yeah. Hi, miss.
Hi,
Are you good?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Janet.
Can I find you on YouTube?
Yes,
Which name? By which
it's
name?
Janet008.
Okay.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel.
Okay. So guys, that's my wife. You can go there and search Janet008 and subscribe to her. Let us continue with our magic day. And see. So guys, as we continue on searching some stones here, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you come across with this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Mr. Church Official. Go and search Mr. Church Official and everything will be great, and God will bless you always. You can see how wonderful things are. See these things. You can see very unique, very interesting, very beautiful too. You can see guys. You can see. It's amazing, huh? Cannot tell what God can. You can see on your own. You can see on your own, guys. See it. You can see how wonderful it is. This is what our God always built. You cannot make this one. It's only God. You can see everywhere. You can see some small stones. in the water, and that's how it will get big. Day by day it gets big. One day if I come back here, you'll see a bit big. You can see, cannot imagine. You can see these things is growing over the stones. Over the stones, there is no soil, but it's always growing. You can see over the stone, guys. You can see it's over the stone. This is a stone. This is a stone. You can see it. Very wonderful. You can see it. These are weeds. These are water. You can see water here. There's no soil here. This is what only water and stones. There's no soil, but things are growing here. Let's continue seeing, guys. See? You can see that's a small stones. Those are very strong. Small stones. You can see those small stones are holding this big stone. A big one. It's a big one. You can see that one. It's being carried by a small stones under it. Pavol, panda hapa, panda kwa mawe, climb. Telling this kiddie to climb over the stones. Say hi again. Hi.
Hi.
Okay. Unafanya nini?
Nafanya ba.
Unapanda? Sijui anguke? Yes. You can see on it on your own, guy. Very wonderful. Very, very wonderful. So the amazing things. You can see how it was separated. This big stone was separated. I don't know who separated it.
Okay.
You can see it was a big one, but it was separated into two. You can see it, guys. Guys. Today I come up with this amazing things to show you how things are in our village. So guys, continue watching my channel, continue subscribing, continue commenting, continue sharing too, and everything will be fine. I would like to be like you guys always. And see my kid, very happy today. It's a happy day to him. You can see she's training. You can see how beautiful the sun is. You can see how the clouds are. You can see it. Very beautiful. Yeah. There's very beautiful place like this. I think in our next video I'll be in touch. I will be in touch. I will put you everything you want, guys. I think for today, that's one will be the end of this video, guys. Don't have much to say, but to appreciate you for being my subscribers, for watching my video, for viewing my story. Yeah, thank you. Please subscribe back.